So if you are working on a presentation and that presentation includes some photos which you need to display in front of your audience and you are making presentation like this, then sorry guys, you are not keeping yourself updated. Instead, you can make presentation like this. So for creating this video, there are 4 steps. First step is to select the images which you want to display on this presentation. Second step is to make these images like in these shapes. Third one is to add these buttons to link this to different slides, whichever you want. And fourth one is to apply the morph transition in this presentation. So let us do this all steps one by one. So let me create a blank presentation and let us insert those pictures which we want to add. So I've already downloaded some pictures. And now let us crop this to the required shape. So let me move this all aside and bring one of it here. Now we'll go to picture format and crop. Crop to shape is the key to crop this in the required shape, like this in the rectangular oval shape. So we'll go to crop to shape, and we will choose this. You say crop, and let us select some part of this image like this. And yes, here you can see that there is a yellow button in which you will select till it becomes rounded from the end. So in this way we have created one box, and to change this image a bit in this object, you can go to go to crop and move this image like this, so that you can set a required image in the cropped area. Now in similar line, let me do for all the 5 images. Here you can choose number of images as many as you want. Now I wanted to add one thing, that while I was cropping this image, the second image was a bit stretched. What I'll do is I'll go to crop again, and here you can see that there is a button to stretch this image a bit. So I'll drag it down and move to the required area which I want. Now to make the width of this all the images uniform, you can just bring this image to front and hover over this image which you have already cropped and set this width as the previous cropped image. Now as I said, we'll go to crop again and we will adjust this image like this. So now let me make duplicate of this slide by pressing Ctrl D, and let's go to slide number 1, move this all this side and align. Let us align this. Now I'll go to crop and make this a bit bigger. So in one slide you will maximize only one image. Now in the second image, let me delete this one and make duplicate of this. And in second one, we'll make this as it was earlier. And now let us crop this one and expand this a bit. And now as our all slides are ready, let us add buttons. So we'll go to insert, and in insert we go to icons, and you can choose whatever icons you want, such as I took few of them from this. And now let me select all, go to graphics content and make it one by one, or let us say 1.5 by 1.5. Let's arrange this. Let me change background. Let me insert a circle shape. Now let me select these two. Go to shape format. Go to align middle, and again align center. And now let me go to selection pane. Now as our buttons are ready, let us link these buttons to the respective slides. So let us say if I want to link this button to slide number 1. So first of all, I'll group these two by pressing Ctrl G, and now I'll select both. Go to link, go to place in this document, and this is our slide number 1, so I'll select slide number 1 and press OK. Similarly, in second button, I'll select both, press Ctrl G for grouping. I will select both the objects in group 23, graphic and oval. Go to link and link it in the second slide. So now let me copy this all and paste it in the first slide, and let us adjust this at the bottom. We'll copy this, paste the same over here also. And now the last step is to add the morph transition to all the slides. So let me select slide number 1, press Ctrl A, go to transition and apply morph. Let us make this duration as 0.5. We'll apply to all. And now let us see our awesome presentation. This way you can make your presentation in the coolest way and make your audiences your fan. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and consider subscribing this channel. Thank you.